guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur a lot of people at once on CapCut PC. For instance, you wanted this person to be the highlight, so you can either copy and paste, go to effects and search for blur, and you're just going to add that on the first layer here. Select the second layer, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Now when you do that, the other people will also be affected, hence it's still not blurred. Simply select mask, select the mirror, rectangle, or whatever, and kind of just like adjust it to the person that you want to highlight only. For instance, like this one, and kind of like just feather it out a little bit here. And that is pretty much it. As you can see, the rest of the people are blurred. Or if you don't want the background to be blurred out, let me just delete that. Copy and paste the one that you've already cut out, as you can see. And on the second cutout, place the blur there and kind of like adjust it because it does not look super great. So I'm just going to adjust the blur size, maybe like that much. Then select this again, and then again you're going to select the mirror one like so, and you're just going to kind of feather that out like by a lot. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!